All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of it. Rich and wide at age. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion. In there will be and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Today's international and national news is brought to you by Sai Kirtana from Grade 7 Jasper representing UGRA House. International news. Harris and Sunak due to discuss cutting edge all risk at UK summit. Biden's proposed secret ban faces conservative backlash and financial concerns. National news. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge accuses PM Modi of staging PR stunt by distributing employment letters. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Everyone, I am Abhiram representing UGRA House. State news. IT searches underway at premises of Congress leaders. Sport news. Football ISL. Mumbai City FE rally to down Punjab 2-1. Gem to school in Gem to second in ISL table. Thank you.
Report is brought to you by Meenakshi of Grade 6 Jasper representing UGRA House. Weather report. Minimum temperature 23 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature 33 degrees Celsius. Mostly cloudy. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Balasrinath of Grade 8 Topaz representing UGRA House. Today's thought: progress is impossible without change, and those who cannot change their mind cannot change anything. I will repeat it again. Progress is impossible without change, and those who cannot change their mind cannot change anything. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today's word is brought to you by Diksha of Grade 6 Jasper representing UGRA House. Today's word is delicious. Meaning, having a very pleasant taste or smell. Friends, please spell after me. Delicious. 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 Thank you. Everyone, today's amazing facts are brought to you by Srinika of Grade 7 Jasper representing UGRA House. Fact number 1. Football is the most popular sport in the world. It has over 4 billion of fans. Fact number 2. A shark is the only known fish that can blink with both eyes. Fact number 3. Most people fall asleep in 7 minutes. Fact number 4. Australia is wider than the moon. Thank you. Have a great day. And today's GK questions are brought to you by Hasna of Grade 7 Jasper representing UGRA House. Question for Grade 6. Which is the highest peak in Nilgiri? I repeat it once again. Which is the highest peak in Nilgiri? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer. And the answer is Dodabetta. Question for Grade 7. How many World Cups does India have? Cricket. How many Cricket World Cups does India have? Yes, you picked the right answer. And the answer is 2 World Cups. Question for Grade 8. Bandhavgarh National Park is famous for? I repeat it once again. Bandhavgarh National Park is famous for? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer. And the answer is tigers. Question for Grade 9. Which is the birthplace of boxing? Yes, you picked the right answer. And the answer is Belgium, Greece. Open questions. Which medal Mary Kom won at London Olympics? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer. And the answer is bronze. Question. Who is the most aggressive Indian cricket player? Yes, you picked the right answer. And the answer is Virat Kohli. Thank you.
Today's article on boxing is brought to you by Shashank Teja of Grade 9 Jasper representing UGRA House. Boxing. Boxing, also known as Western boxing or pugilism, is a combat sport or a martial art in which two people, usually wearing protective gloves and other protective equipments such as hand wraps and mouth guards, throw punches at each other for predetermined amount of time in a boxing ring. It was an Olympic sport originated in 688 BC in ancient Greece. Thank you.
Once there was a school named ABCD.
Music is.
There was a unit test in the ABCD school and the teacher is giving a thorough revision. The students were not listening to the teacher and they were doing their own work. It was a time for board exam. It was a time for unit test. The teacher was doing her work and the students were copying. We did for whole academic year and it was a time for board exam. The students didn't know about the board exam properly, and it was very strict invigilator. So they did not prepare and write anything. Regretting themselves. They did not write the exam properly, and who studied well, they wrote the exam properly. They got good marks in that exam. The students who are copying, they failed in the exam. Obey the teacher's words and prepare well in exam. Don't do any malpractice in exams. Don't depend on others. And prepare well for your term 1 exams. All the best.
Stop asking for permission. Thank you. I'm talking about the UGRA House. acronym. Gratitude. GRATITUDE. I am Silpina of grade 4 Hazel representing UGRA House. Today I am here to tell rules of football. Rule number 1. A match consists of two 45-minute halves with a 15-minute rest period in between. Second rule. Each team can have a minimum of 11 players including one goalkeeper. Rule number 3. The ball must have a circumference of 58 to 61 centimeters in circular shape. Rule number 4. The weight of a football is about 400 to 450 grams. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Question for grade 1. How many hours are there in this alphabet? Yes, you pick the correct answer. Let us appreciate it. And the answer is 5. Question for grade 2. Which cell organ do you use to cell? Yes, you pick the correct answer. And the answer is 4. Let us I promise that I'll be a good citizen of my country and be a